Creating an app in 2026 takes 3 steps, and this video will take you through getting an idea, validating it, building the app, and then publishing on the App Store.
By the way, I'm Varun, the 16-year-old lead developer at Figo, where we make apps to help you be more productive. Now, what are the steps to take to make an app from scratch in just under 2 weeks? Well, first, get an idea. Second, go into the world and pitch that idea to people. This can be done through the following ways. You can create content and ask people to DM you if they like your idea, or join the waitlist for the release of the app. Or go into the world like coffee shops or malls and interview people for their pain points, and this could also give you an idea and or help you gauge whether your idea is good. You can also go on social media and analyze people's problems and critics and pain points and get an idea from there. Once you've done that, then we can move to the third step, which is designing. AI is a powerful tool in 2026, and AI is the reason why we could make an app in 2 weeks. I'm going to give you a 3-step process to use AI to create the app. Go open Claude and text it about your idea and ask it suggestions and plan with it to create this app. Using Claude gives good instructions to Claude Code. And reiterate, Claude Code makes a lot of mistakes, so try and try again in prompting to fix errors or build new features. And that's how we build an app in 2 weeks. It might take longer or less time for you to create an app depending on your AI plan. We had the Claude Pro account. Nevertheless, it is possible to create an app in 2 weeks, so try it yourself and tag us. We'll be sure to check it out. Happy building!